Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex market data into easily digestible information. Today we're looking at USDCHF, which is currently showing interesting trends. Recent news and Google searches point towards a generally bullish sentiment for USDCHF, with several articles mentioning upward momentum and retracement recovery. However, it is crucial to remember that such information is never financial advice and should always be taken with a grain of salt. Before diving into the specifics, let's establish our time frame and parameters. We will use candlestick charts to visualize the price movements over different time frames. First, let's take a look at the overall trend on the one-day chart. Observing the daily chart, we notice significant volatility over the last few months, but no definitive long-term trend is yet established. There are several instances of significant price swings, indicative of a possibly volatile market. While there's a general inclination towards higher prices from the most recent news and reports, we need to consider further indicators on shorter timeframes. Now, let's zoom in on the one-hour chart to get a better understanding of recent price action. The one-hour chart reveals a more granular picture of price movements. We can identify short-term support and resistance levels that may influence intraday trades. Let's observe the key support and resistance zones on this chart, looking at the recent price action. To get an even more detailed perspective, we will switch to the 15-minute chart. This time frame will allow us to examine shorter price patterns and potential reversal points. Analyzing these smaller candlesticks helps in identifying short-term trading opportunities and entry points. The 15-minute chart provides the most granular view of recent price movements. Here we can observe several small support and resistance levels that may cause price fluctuations. It's crucial to identify potential breakout patterns from these levels to successfully time intraday trades. Let's now return to the one-day chart and examine the broader market context. By observing the overall trend and correlating it with the short-term patterns from the 1-hour and 15-minute charts, we can make a more accurate assessment of the market sentiment. It's essential to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. Nevertheless, we can highlight key price levels that need to be observed. Based on the combined analysis of the news and the candlestick charts across various time frames, several key price levels are notable for USDCHF. The 0.89 level appears to be a significant support level. A break below this level could indicate further downward pressure. Conversely, the 0.90 level acts as a key resistance level. A decisive break above this level would strengthen the bullish trend. The likelihood of these levels being reached is moderate, and the current market conditions increase their relevance. However, global economic events, unexpected news, and changes in market sentiment could significantly alter these predictions. Therefore, it's important to remain vigilant and monitor for any upcoming significant news or events that could impact USDCHF. These levels can be easily identified in both the 1-hour and 15-minute charts. Keep your eye on the 15-minute chart for potential breakouts, and then use the 1-hour chart to see broader trend confirmation. Remember to practice risk management, set stop-loss orders, and always trade responsibly.